there, everybody. It is a beautiful September afternoon, just 5 days away from the official start of my absolute favorite season, autumn. And the equinox is on the 21st, and so I love autumn because I love all the colors. I love the color of the leaves. I love the color of the light in the morning. I love to carve pumpkins, and so time to stop into the garden center and you'll find everything you need to make your home fallish, autumnal, any one of those words. So we of course have had some of our fall annuals in for a few weeks, things like mums and asters and ornamental grasses. Pumpkins arrived this week, so I have lots of really cool, not for carving pumpkins, but these look fab in a pot with some mums and maybe some willow sticks or something. This is a Turk's turban. I've got some warty things. And then we have a whole bunch of really great pumpkins for carving. We also have all of our fall bulbs are in, and so you can stop in and pick up crocus or daffodils or tulips, everything you need to get some color next spring. I think that fall planted spring blooming bulbs are an exercise in patience, and it shows that gardeners are some of the most patient people on the planet, and also farsighted, because we plant things that we know we aren't going to see even a hint of until after we get through a long winter. So stop into the garden center and pick up whatever you need to update your front porch, get your garden beds ready, and stop in also, and we've got some fall wreaths for your front door, everything you need to make your home spiffed up and sprucey for the new season. Also have started to do some Christmas stuff. So stop in, we'd love to see you, and happy almost fall from all of us here at the Bruce Company.